Okay, so our last reload, we did a bunch of 9mm. I discovered 25 works good for the video. I did 26 last time, but we'll do 25 this time. So I counted out 25 40 Smith and Wessons, and we're going to reload this from the beginning. Brand new die for casting and everything. So I guess that should work out. Alright, so what we're going to be loading here is 40 Smith and Wesson, and we have 25 of them. Write that down on a piece of paper, that way I know what to look for. And what we do is we open this guy up. Yeah, I figured that'd be a little bit quicker than that. Alright, you can see there's some brass already in there. And 25, 10, 25, and dump them in there. And that's all we gotta do. Put it back together. And we go ahead and wait. It's better if I put the pen down. Probably easier not one-handed. So you want to tighten that down. Again, this is my case tumbler, quick and easy. What I have inside here as a medium is half corn, half walnut, and there we go. We're going to let this go for about an hour, then we're going to come back and get our shells case. Okay, what we have in here is 62 9mm. We have 45 1945 ACP and 25 40 Smith and Wesson. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll pull all these out. This is an ACP, and we're going to separate them out, and we're only working on the 40s. So, all right. What we're going to do is we will separate all of these different cases. The only thing we're going to be loading is the 40, so although it would be easier to say, hey, we're just going to pull out 40, and I guess we could have put just 40 in. We did not. So, separate all this stuff out. Matter of fact, I have kind of a cheat sheet here. Oh man, look at that. There's a piece of casing stuck in another piece of casing. There's a 9mm, 45. Now 40 is in between the 9s and the 45s. So you kind of can see the difference here. I looked in and pulled up a whole bunch of 40s here. Oops. Doesn't matter, but I'm trying to. We should have 25. So whenever I do a normal load, I do them by different increments. So I usually do, if I have a load that I like, I'll make 50 or 100 of them. I usually won't reload until I have at least 50 cases ready for me. You see, this is, I think this is a kitty litter cleaner, but it works good for this. All right, we'll be back. Next stop, I think, is depriming these 40s. So